Hello everyone, this is Pooja and today I am here to share my views on some topic. So firstly I want to thank English Zone and respected RD sir for passing me this great opportunity to share my views, and I really appreciate this topic because I personally feel very important for myself and for my family and for other peoples also. So when I ask someone why you want to learn English, because nowadays this era is of English. Everyone is urged to learn English. Everyone to learn English, want to speak English. But when we ask why you want to learn English, can you share some reasons? Can you tell me some reason? They end up all their speech by some after 3 to 4 reasons. But today I am going to tell you many reasons to learn English so that you can stay tuned with your motive, with your goal of learning English for a long period of time, because a reason is that thing which always make us tune with the topic or with a goal. So come to the point without any further delay. So my topics and my points for learning English and for my reasons of learning English are so many. So first reason is English is an international language. Now everything, because of globalization, privatization, become globalized. Everything, every person, every business, every company become globalized, become situated and become located in every field. Like people are traveling to different foreign countries. Companies are coming from foreign to our countries also. Our companies, many famous companies like Tata, Reliance are going to establish in foreign countries also. So for that purpose also we learn to English, and there are many reasons like that. For foreign, like in foreign, there are 195 countries, but in more than 100 countries English is spoken. So learning every language is better, or learning a single language that give you access to everything. So I think learning English is better than learning every language. Secondly, English give you like informative for, it's essential for technology also, for further higher studies. Like we take any topic or any technology, mobile phone, internet, every instruction, every manual are written in two languages. One is English along with the manufactured country's language. Why? Because simply because like if we are in country, there people understand their local. But what about foreign countries? What about other regions? So we have to give instructions and manuals in that language that can be understood by many of people, by large mass of peoples. So English is very important for that perspective also. And come to the next point now. Every book, internet contains many informations, many web series, many news reports, phrase, web are also in English. So like if you want to learn, if you want to get information from books, like, and that is, books are the treasures of knowledge, but books are available in each and every language. But if we want to learn anything, we can get a hard copy or we can get a soft copy in English language. Whatever, it may be spiritual, it may be technology, it may be anything else, but we can get a hard copy or soft copy in English language of every book. So it is easy for learn or getting knowledge from English. And internet is a treasure of each and everything. You can learn anything from internet, but on internet contents are available in English. So learning a single language can give you access to all the doors of opportunities. Second is like foreign jobs, foreign traveling. English help you lot in traveling. Like we are traveling to another region, another country, another state, where we are not going to communicate with our local language, because people not going to understand our local language. They understand their local language, they understand their country's language. So how we convince, how to place an order, how to book a hotel, how to order food, how to travel. For that purpose, we need a common language. Like in international market, dollar is an international currency or common currency to trade and commerce. Same way, English is also a international currency of speech, which we can use in any country. We can find people who are speaking and can understand English. And now, like dollar, English is also a currency of speech. We can travel easily, we can get information, we can easily place our order, we can easily get directions, we can easily place the order in food, we can easily book a hotel, we can easily get access in traveling. And English helps a lot in interacting with different regions people. Like if we know only our particular region's local language, we can only get familiar with the local peoples. But when it comes to international, when it comes to a national level, we have to know other language which can be understood by many peoples. For that purpose also, we have to learn English very well. We should learn English very well. So English help us to increase our knowledge, to increase our personality. And nowadays, English not just a language to convey our thoughts and idea. English become a standard or a yardstick for smartness, for personality. Like people who speak very well English and conveys idea in English, we see her as a good personality. We think he has good personality, he has a very good ideas. People used to like to listen them. For that purpose, we should learn English for very well. So this is end of my ideas, and there are lots of many reasons, but I have to sum up all things in short. So I really hopeful that you find this video helpful and knowledgeable for yourself. So please, further any delay or wasting your time on wasting other things, please start learning a language, because according to study also, learning a new language slow down the process of aging. It makes you smarter, it makes you younger, it feel you confident. So stop wasting your time and join any English John. Thank you so much and have a great day.